Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
My name is Louise. I'm from France, Paris.
Can you please describe the experience of coming to this festival?
It was surprising and interesting to discover the different resources they have in this state of India that I don't know.
What about the Khasi mandarin? Have you tried the Khasi mandarin, the oranges?
I tried the pineapple, which was delicious.
But you like it? You like it? It's spices or
Yes, I also tried the mushroom pickles, which I bought.
how?
It will
How
be
much you
back
buy?
to Paris.
How much you buy?
You're going to carry it to Paris.
Yes, I will make it try to my family.
So how is the taste?
It's original for us French. We eat mushrooms, but not like this. So I will put it in an omelette.
Also with these, they are adulterated food items. And then diverting here. Alright. Pineapple to be organic and fruit to the roots.
Yes, I found that it was more tasty than the one I had at the entrance of the park.
Park.